If you have a great deal of data and need to apply many formulas, learning how to make Excel formulas for columns is a valuable time-saving skill. Start Excel and load the document where you need to apply a formula to the column. Here we want to create a formula in the outcome column that will sum the value and the term. Enter equals sum parenthesis open into cell E2 and then click on cell B2 and drag to C2. Type close parenthesis and press return. In this case, we want to apply this formula to the entire E column so that all the values in the B and C columns are summed like they are with the single formula. Fortunately, learning how to make Excel formulas for columns is easy, as Excel will automatically change the formula to calculate the new values. Copy the contents of cell E2 and select the entire E column. Right-click on the column and choose the Standard Paste option. This will apply the formula to every cell, including the title cell, and you can see here it now reads 0 instead of outcome. Click in the cell and type outcome again to replace this unwanted 0.